Today I would be discussing our project Junglo, which is across a plot area of 225 square meter located right on urban fringes of Surat. My name is architect Jigar Asarawala from Neogenesis Plus Studio 0261 Surat. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildofy.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. Conceptualized the project in a way that it should be cost effective as well as a role model for the growing city. We named it Junglo in relation with its close proximity with flora grown in and around the bungalow. This site, it has adjoining residences on east and west side, and north has common backyard. Only south side is the access way for the entry and ventilation. We have added 2 court to the house to borrow ventilation from top. One courtyard towards southwest direction, which is 14 feet by 14 feet, and second is temple court in east direction, which is 13 by 10 feet. Living room opens up towards the southwest court, and different shadow patterns can be captured throughout the day because of the safety grill installed on the top. Walls of the living room are kept naturally plastered and no color has been applied. All the furniture is also made out of plywood and reclaimed wood. We have even not used any veneer or laminate on the furniture. It is kept as it is to its natural form. Throughout the house we have used Kota stone. Even beds are made out of it. And stage of the Kota stone has been used to create Raza painting on the family sitting area. So the house is a double-heighted courtyard which has been embellished with creepers and climbers to cut the direct entry of west sunlight. All the spaces of the house are wrapped around this courtyard. Important element of the house is the temple. The temple have designed the temple with triple height so that it acts as a wind tunnel with a mechanical exhaust fan on top. Building materials are kept in its natural form and texture to comprehend the naturality of flora and also keeping in mind the client's demand for an economic built form. Also, the circular windows in the bedroom, which is overlooking the landscape. This serves as a natural picture frame. I will end my discussion. See you soon again with such interesting discussions. Also, in case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.